Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm here to introduce you to a brand new Mintay Papers collection called City of Love. There are many elements that are part of this collection from Mintay. We've got our 12 by 12 scrapbooking paper set. We have a sticker sheet. We have an extra 12 by 12 paper. We have a 12 by 12 chipboard, a 6 by 6 scrapbooking paper pad, and a package of paper die cuts. Let's start with the sticker sheet. Here we have our sticker sheet, and you can see the words, our love story, memories of happy times, love you, my love, all you need is love, city of love, love is in the air, happy Valentine's Day, together is the best place to be. So this is certainly a love collection. Could be used for weddings, could be used for Valentine's Day, could be used for anniversaries, anything that speaks of love, this collection is perfect for. And you can see we have the beautiful color palette of a dusty pink and a soft green, and some lovely roses and flowers that are part of this collection. So it's a very versatile collection, perfect for shabby chic, which is one of my favorite types of designs. It's a very beautiful collection. So let's take a look now at the 12 by 12 papers so that we can get a really good feel for this. So here we have the front cover of City of Love. You can see the green and the cream colors and the pinks in this collection. On the back of the front cover, you can see we have cakes, biscuits, floral clusters, love hearts, cups of tea, vines, doves, and keys. Moving on now to, this is page number 1, and you can see a beautiful window with pink shutters, gorgeous floral clusters, a cute little cafe or a table and chairs down the bottom here, and another gorgeous cluster up the top here. So an absolutely beautiful page there. Let's turn over. And on the back we have like a distressed green sort of crackled paint look there on that page. Let's move on to page number 2 now. This has a real love theme. A beautiful archway, angels, this beautiful cluster here of love hearts and love, and again a cute little romantic setting here with a cake. Beautiful page. And on the reverse, a gorgeous wreath here. This is beautiful. I can tell that this is going to create some absolutely beautiful layouts. Moving on to page number 3 now, and here we have a beautiful pink door. We've got a bicycle, lots of floral clusters here, and a big cluster here, and a little white dove or a white bird down the bottom there. Another beautiful page. And if we turn over, that same sort of distressed paint wall, but this time in pink, a dusty pink. Beautiful. Let's move on now to page number 4. Page number 4 is a page of gates. We've got archways. We've got lots of beautiful flowers. Top and the bottom, we've got the angel theme coming through. It's a beautiful page that can certainly be used for weddings, wedding photos, anniversaries. And on the reverse, a floral pink and white page. It's very pretty and feminine. Let's move on now to page number 5. And page number 5 is beautiful flowers and leaves in pinks and greens and cream. And on the reverse, we have that same pattern, but this time it's in green. On this side it was pink. It's got like a wallpaper sort of feel to it. Moving on to page number 6. Now on page number 6 we have our typical white frames, but in this page we also have a new design, which is a circular frame with a green colour border. That's beautiful. And on the reverse we have our lovely 3x4 photographs or images that we can use for card making or scrapbooking. So remembering in your 12x12 collection you get 2 pages of each design. So I'll flick through those quickly. There's our window, the green painted background, the archway, the beautiful wreath, the doorway, pink painted background, the gates, pink wallpaper, the floral page, and the green wallpaper, and the frames and the pictures. So that's in the 12x12 collection. Don't forget you can also get the number 9 paper separately, which gives you another page of the fussy cutting elements. And on the reverse of that, we have a distressed pink background here with a little bit of a mixed media effect. So that's an additional sheet that you can purchase separately to the 12x12 pack. You can also purchase exactly the same papers in the 6x6 scrapbooking paper pad. Now this does have a unique design on the reverse of the front cover and the reverse on the back cover. So some extra fussy cutting elements there. And then in this paper pack, you have exactly the same papers that we've seen in the 12x12 papers. They're just at a smaller size. So perfect for card making and mini albums, and if you just prefer that smaller sized paper. Okay, so there are 4 of 12 designs in that 6x6 scrapbooking paper pad. Now there's also a matching chipboard 12x12 page. Alright, and on this you have, this is the City of Love page. So we're talking city theme and a love theme. So you've got bridges, gates, park benches, lamp posts, keys, padlocks, and an archway or a building there and a building there. So this is really giving you a lot of vintage elements that you can use to, in addition to the 12x12 papers. And then last of all, we have the City of Love paper die cuts. So let's take a look at those. and see what we have here. A lovely cake, some cups of tea, the vine, the green vine. We've got love hearts, biscuits. You can see the intricacy of the paper die cuts are amazing, the way that they are cut out so perfectly. It's another love heart, some beautiful floral clusters. We've got an archway with angels, cake, there's a dove. We've got some of our vine leaves, more love hearts, some flowers. Oh wow, look at that. Beautifully cut out set of keys, so fine. And a smaller set, that's amazing. There's another little dove, some more biscuits or macaroons. We've got the word love and the word memories. More doves, more flowers, more love hearts, another cake. So you can see there are many, many, many elements in this pack of die cuts that you can use to decorate your beautiful love projects. Lots and lots and lots of things here that, oh, there's the word you, so you can have love you. Another vine, another cake, some more leaves and flowers. So lots and lots of lovely love elements that can be used for your projects. Beautiful. So this is the beautiful Mintay Papers City of Love collection. Absolutely stunning collection. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Mintay collections coming up. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.